So the last thing that we're going to use for applications here is the Pythagorean theorem, which we've seen before, but this is, in these problems we'll get quadratics. So the Pythagorean theorem, the sum of the squares of the lengths of the legs of a right triangle equals the square of the length of the hypotenuse of the right triangle. That's the statement of the Pythagorean theorem. So what it looks like, you have a right triangle. The legs are the two sides next to the 90-degree angle, which is called the right angle. The hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. Notice the hypotenuse is longer than the legs. That's always true because the longest side is in a triangle is always opposite the largest angle. The smallest angle is always opposite the smallest side. It's right, and the medium one's opposite the medium one. Now if you label these sides, the legs A and B and the hypotenuse C, then you get this A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So the Pythagorean theorem does not say A squared plus B squared equals C squared. It says if you have a right triangle and the two legs you label A and B and the hypotenuse C, then the equation A squared plus B squared equals C squared holds.